All right, hello everyone. So this is the Humminbird Model Products Rookie. It's a carbon fiber spar in the wings and a carbon fiber boom, nice and stiff. Modular stabs. The stabilizer comes off with 2 bolts, wing bolts on. It's got rudder elevator spoilers, so elevator, rudder, and then spoiler. And I'm gonna do a flight. My able cameraman Jacob here is gonna hopefully be able to record the whole thing. All right, so hooking it up. I fly with a fairly forward CG on this airplane. Those who are more expert than I might prefer a more aft CG. But here we go. Really easy flying model. Right now the air is pretty dead. See if there's something there. Spoilers deployed. There we go.